Mattermost Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're reviewing Mattermost, a powerful open-source team communication platform designed to improve collaboration for both remote and in-house teams. You can find the link to Mattermost in the description below. Mattermost is perfect for businesses looking for a customizable, secure, and scalable communication solution to streamline workflows. One of Mattermost's standout features is its flexible messaging system. Whether you need public team channels, private channels, or direct messaging, Mattermost provides a robust set of options for real-time communication. Its interface is clean and user-friendly, allowing team members to easily access conversations without feeling overwhelmed. Plus, it allows you to create different teams within the platform, helping organize communication across different departments. Mattermost also shines with its integration capabilities. You can integrate with a wide range of third-party tools, including GitHub, Jira, Trello, and Google Drive, all from within the platform. This means that you can keep all your work in one place, saving time and reducing the need to switch between multiple apps. Additionally, file sharing is seamless, and the platform allows you to share images, documents, and links without leaving the chat. Another key feature is advanced security. Mattermost takes data protection seriously and offers end-to-end encryption for both messages and files, making it ideal for businesses that handle sensitive information. It also provides enterprise-grade compliance support, including HIPAA, GDPR, and SOC 2, which is essential for many industries. Task management is another plus with Mattermost. You can assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress directly within conversations, ensuring that everything stays organized. Mattermost also offers voice and video calls, which are high quality and easily accessible directly from the platform. Mattermost is highly recommended for businesses that require flexibility, security, and a customizable platform. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Mattermost can scale with your team. Check out the link in the description to get started with Mattermost today and experience seamless team communication.